don't do it. It's going to be a bad time. The plastic arms of the gimbal will be flexing so much, in fact, that the gimbal will be bottoming out just here. The gimbal is also too small, so you will be binding up here and down here as well. But if you're going to do it anyway, then this is your best chance of success. Of course, you want to use the lightest possible lens, and the lightest full-frame lens that Nikon makes for a Z mount is the 28-2.8, at least at this moment. And with that, and of course you want to remove any L plates or cages you normally would use on the camera, just to maximize the clearance you have right here, because this is the big problem. Now, I did try this with the 51.8, which is not a very heavy lens, but that was enough to cause the arms of the gimbal to flex so much that you would be constantly bottoming out the gimbal right here. And the footage was really, really shaky. Now, the arm still flex quite a lot, despite the fact that the 28 is very light, purely because of the weight of the Z9. And that is going to compromise your footage, so you do have to be extra careful with how smoothly you operate the gimbal. So definitely worth it to get a gimbal with carbon fiber arms. I had to use a little counterbalance to get the Z9 to balance. Probably I would not have needed it if I didn't use the ND filter on the front of the lens. But you often need some kind of filter when doing video. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.